Hello everyone and welcome back to Island Dolphin Care for more fun activities from home. As we celebrate Earth Month this month, I thought it might be fun to also do a science experiment / educational activity for all of you. Just a few items that it takes and you can kind of collect them from different areas of your house hopefully, but we are going to replicate an oil spill so that you can discuss water pollution in whatever kind of aquatic system that you may have near you. So all I've done is just a cake pan here. This is just water. I just added a little bit of blue food coloring to kind of give it a fun look. You don't have to add that if you don't want to. A couple of different rocks. I also had some craft seashells that I've put in here for fun. If you happen to have any like small sea life animals, you can throw those in. We don't have very many options that sink. This is actually just a magnet, but just for show, it is in there. So you just kind of want to create a little bit of atmosphere, and then you're just going to use whatever oil you have in your kitchen. I have canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever. You'll just put a couple tablespoons worth on top there. And then as you're going along and through the different steps of your experiment, you want to go ahead and have your little ones making observations. That's what part of the science experiment part of it is. They're just writing down what they see, what they think, what's changing, things like that. And you can make sheets ahead of time and set them up with leading questions, or you can just give them blank paper and have them create it as they go. Again, as the steps go along, you just have them make more and more observations. So like right now, you can maybe ask them if they didn't notice, but all of the oil appears to be staying on the top. Do they think it's interacting with the seashells and the sea life that is below the surface of the water? What do they think might happen? And then you can start pulling different items out. So even if you don't have your animals here, you could just pull out your rocks, and then you can see if there's any oil on any of the items that you're pulling out, and you can kind of discuss that, what effects that would have on everything, how these whales here come out of water to take a breath, so they would be coming out frequently. And then if you happen to have any crafting feathers, you can use those. Just put them right on the surface of the water and discuss how that would be like a bird landing on the water. Again, they're making observations all along the way. What's happening as the feathers land on the water? What's happening to the feathers? And then you can take it one step further and see if you can have them try and wash off the oil from the feathers. So have them start with just water for the first round, and then have them add some Dawn dish soap to see if they can get them clean after that. So again, just a great conversation starter for as we celebrate Earth Month and all different kinds of science education as well. I hope you are enjoying your education time at home as well as your Earth Day activities, and we hope to hear from you all soon.